Welcome to DWBIADDA channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Hi everyone. In this video, let us have a very brief introduction to Google Data Studio. Google Data Studio is a data visualization tool. This is a very simple and easy tool to build very interactive and informative reports and dashboards for any kind of data. Data can be fetched from various data sources like SQL files, CSV files, Excel files, or Facebook data, etc. This tool is easily available and accessible, and it helps us to tell story in our data. In Google Data Studio, reports can be easily shared and collaborated with our team. This tool is available for free. Variety of charts are provided for building reports. Reports can be made interactive with filter controls and data range controls. Stylish and colorful themes are provided for building aesthetically pleasing reports. To open Google Data Studio, go to datastudio.google.com. This will take us to the home page of Google Data Studio. This is the home page of Data Studio. For creating a new report, you can use the templates that are already existing in Template Gallery, or you can create a blank one. This will take us to this newly created blank report page. Edit the name of the page, report. Give any report name. I will give it as new report. The very initial step for building report is adding data. Let us see how to do that. Click on Add Data. Select the data from wherever you want to upload. I will go to File, Upload. These data sets are already existing in my Google Data Studio. I will select one of them and click on Add. By default, initially a table gets created in Google Data Studio. You can change the dimension here and add any columns to your table. For adding a new chart, click on Add a Chart and select the particular graph that you want to add in the report, like a pie chart. Select city as the dimension. You can also add a text box for giving the heading. You can change the size and font. You can change the color of the font, background, border color here. For adding controls, click on this option. You can select whichever you require. For adding community visualizations, click on this button here and you can select whichever chart. We can also add new pages. You can edit the name of the page here by clicking on 3 dots and rename. You can remove the page, that is delete the page from the report. And this is the edit mode. You can go to view mode and see the report. You can share by clicking on share and adding the email addresses of your teammates or whoever you want to share it with. This button is for refreshing the data. Go back to edit. You can add lines, different type of lines or different type of shapes to your data. You can view the data added by going to the source and clicking on Manage Added Data Sources, and this is the data that has been connected to this particular report. So these are the very basic things in Google Data Studio. Let us look at more features in next videos. Thank you.